Hi everyone, I am Joel Islam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Photoshop neural filter not downloading. As you can see, my neural filter downloading is working. Okay, so to fix the problem, first close Photoshop. Okay, after closing, open folder called app data. If you're not seeing this folder, click on view, then click on hide items show. Okay, click on hide items, then app data, then Romain, then Adobe, and on the last folder open UXP folder, plugin storage, then open the latest version. If you're using 24 or 23 version, it will call 20. For if you're using 23, Photoshop 23, as you can see my version is 24, so that's why it's 25. If you're using 23, it will be 24. So open the folder, then internal, then select all files and click delete. After deleting, now open Photoshop again. And now click on any image, open any image. It's taking it longer, and filter neural filter. Remember that you need to log into your Adobe account on your Photoshop, otherwise neural filter won't work. So after that, click on skip tour and click on download. As you can see, my download option is working. So after the download is working, you need to download all the things at once, because in next try it won't work, or I don't I don't know, but it will be fine if you download everything at once. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.